Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. We are June 3rd, 2015, and the market were going up this morning with a nice set of points, but now it's going back down and going nowhere anymore. And besides a little bit of volatility, I mean, look at this market. It's not heading anywhere so far. Up and down and up and down. Little movement every day. It seems like we had reversed the bearish cycle this morning until it came back. And on the SPY, it's the same. And the TSX is slightly, just a slight increase. So, I mean, it all comes from those traditional sector that came back up. You know, there was quite a big surge already this morning. Consumer discretionary, staple, financials, industrials, and even technology. The mining went well. Also, it's the crude oil and the gold that do not want to cooperate. So one by one, if we look at it, the US dollar goes down rapidly. So that is supposed to help the resources. So, but the crude oil is going down and actually raising more than yesterday's quote. And the whole uptrend, intraday uptrend, has been reversed. And again, we might even go to the bottom here. So no matter in the afternoon, I bet that we're going to have a movement equivalent to this or this. So there's a little bit of potential yet on on USO. And the energy stocks are coming down on yesterday's movement, but there is nothing very negative there. We don't have a numbers breakdown or whatever there. On the gold, the gold is suffering. It's coming down. It's on its support. And what's going to happen is if the gold break down strongly through this support, but I mean, we have very, very good chances to see the TTGD coming back down. And what this is going to do, I mean, if TTGD breaks down towards this support, we have good chances to find many new breakdown, and especially on stocks like Yamana Gold that are near their support. And there are others like that, IAM Gold and Gold Corp also. So it's the big stocks that have some problem right now, while the secondary stocks, those that are not as important and not such a big mines, are way higher. They're going down. They're going down too right now, but they're much higher. So it's the big, it should worry us because it's the big stock that are suffering. And I mean, if the vendors start selling on it, could go. Could be a tough time because so many people are loaded with gold stocks. So the mining continued its movement this morning. Half of the increase has been erased so far. So there are still a little bit of potential in the afternoon if we looked at it this way in 1 minute. So it is totally possible that we had another bullish cycle. And more precisely, what we did do is, as yesterday, some stock went well. Remember I said don't choose tech because it's not as strong. So choose First Quantum or UDB, and all of those stocks are going up. So if you bought at the bottom, if you bought during the day yesterday, but today in this morning increase, there was sufficient money to take some profit there. Let me show you that. So where we were at the bottom was there at 11, and yesterday it produced a lot. So far in the $12 and $12.20, it was a good place to securize this position. And even though there at the price it is right now, I mean, taking some profit wouldn't be a bad idea. But we should definitely not buy this sector anymore because we're far away already from the last bottom, and we're in 2 days into the new bullish cycle already, leaving less potential for profit in the short term. So the materials remain in a bullish cycle, not very strong. The mining also, the telecom are back within a bullish cycle. There's no bearish cycle, and all of the others, no matter if it goes up today, even though you see an increase on consumer discretionary, it's just reversing yesterday's quote, and it's still a sideways movement. Healthcare is a sideways movement. Consumer staple rushed up this morning here on this movement that we're going to check who are the responsible. And all of those intraday chart you see here, like this increase on technology is this increase in technology is this movement there. So let me show you that again. So that's what it is. So we have this situation on consumer discretionary staple, financials, and also industrial. So on the industrial, we have reached the top, and on the financial also. So it's like a 3 days rebound that the market has showed us. So there's a little risk of breaking down here for the gold sector, and utilities are back into a bearish cycle. So and the energy sector is very neutral. So if we look at this on the financials and consumer discretionary and industrials. I mean, it's just a pullback there. There is no real potential there. A consumer staple is at the resistance. So should we buy Metro? Metro has a nice support here, a multiple support. If you want to buy it, it's oversold, so that's all right. That's okay for a buy, but I must tell you that the potential is until 36, maybe 37, but 37 being a little bit high. And who's doing it? I mean, it's a little bit of everyone. One of the strongest is Alimentation Couche-Tard, but it's not a new signal. The signal have been triggered here a couple of days ago and yesterday here, so it's expected to reach the top. So it was actually just some weakness on Alimentation Couche-Tard, which is back and now oversold. So it's now time to take the profit on it. And as you notice, it is the most important responsible of the movement, as there's a little bounce back on every other, but Couche-Tard is the most responsible. And what about the financials? Can we do something on financials? I mean, I don't think so. It's just going back close to the short-term resistance, and it's not technically wise a buy on the sector. And within the industrial, CP is not moving up, CNR is not moving up. Again, it's Air Canada, Lavalin. Chorus is ready for another movement on the upside, and I don't see much other thing. ATS Automation Tooling prepares himself for the new bullish cycle. So it is a buy at that point. It could. You have 50 cents risk there because the selling point is at 15.50. So if you buy it at that price, you shouldn't be too greedy and take it and take some profit on a very short term. And as we expected, this bullish cycle there, Richie Bros Action here started it 3 days ago and keeps going up, reaching the place where it could be diminished for small profit here.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Dot B?
Yeah, dot B.
The gentleman here say dot A.
It's both. It's dot A and dot B. I
Oh.
don't know the one with the most.
Okay. I have a question here from Paul Hickson. Hi, today have you seen the IPO of RAY.A? And on Market Vision Plus, the stock will appear tomorrow because it's going to create itself tonight. And I'm going to look at it this way.
Dot A is better.
The B,
The A is better. The A is
yeah. Point A. Oh no, okay. A. Okay, I gotta see it all. Oh, okay. I'm gonna look at it in 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, no matter, that's where it starts. So that's where the stock started. And you said with a very large volume, what do you think of it? But, you know, it's normal to see a big volume at opening on a stock. And the stock opened at 758. Why do you say it's up 30%?
I think c'est par rapport au prix qui a dû être pricé.
Okay, so compared to the price, it was priced before. So, but the stock opened up and now went down, and it reached 730.23. It's now 738. So I think the volume is now nothing. So there was a bunch of volume at the beginning, but it got really calmer now. But since it's a new stock, and I don't know, some people took profit.
The IPO price was 625.
625. Okay, the IPO price was 625. So that was a lot higher. But you know, the bid and ask are not moving much on it, so it seemed a little bit quiet. But anyway, on a very short term, 743 could be that. Could be a good place to buy. And a BTO in the gold. BTO a buy now? No, actually the stock was oversold, and as we expected a few gold stock to come back up during this increase of the stochastic. But if you look at it closely right now, it's oversold, it's overbought. So overbought here is not a nice place to buy because it's at the resistance also. So what we will do there in this case, you know, always keep an eye on the index. But you see, look at the intraday chart. On the 15-minute chart, you will definitely see the top here. So there's a top at 221. And the stock is coming down at the moment on some profit. So the stock has to remain is here, okay? And whenever it break out again at like 225, and it's a buy. And during the sideways movement, let's presume it's doing this, okay, approximately, let's presume. And during the sideways movement, the volume keep decreasing that way. That would be an indicator that chances are very good for a new breakout. And when it happens, you have to see a volume like that one here. A resuming volume and a stock that is breaking the very important resistance that is there. So that would be the best time to buy it. What are your favorite trade setup you like for day trading and swing trading? Oh boy, that's a very, very, very big question. Cannot be answered in 30 seconds. That's what I have left, 15. I would like to buy RGD. RGD. RGD, just checking. Oh no! Don't buy that. Don't buy that. This stock is, if you're right here about your trade, RGD on TSX, where will my buy trigger on the stock? Don't trigger anything. It's going down to the dead. The stock is going to die, as we can see right now, shooting down rapidly like that. It's just like the stock has been shot. That's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.